today we are reviewing the slime that we made yesterday, but we forgot to let you guys see. Okay, come on.
Got mine and got hers.
Got one. Okay, today I will open this.
Đưa em stem lại.
Mine is already
Okay,
my
okay,
best.
It's my
stem
best.
lại. Kìa, nói
It's
chuyện
my
với chị.
best friend's
Kìa, mấy bạn làm gì
sister.
vậy? Ba bà chị đang gì vậy? Đưa tôi stem lại.
So,
Đưa tôi stem lại.
so this is my slime, and it's already open, and
Well,
yeah, and
it's kind of hard, so I will use my teeth, guys. It's kind of dirty.
Đâm gì lên, đâm. Chọc tôi à? Chọc tôi hả? Tôi đem người đi mà chọc tôi hả?
Okay, reviewing slime. My YouTube now will be
Okay.
my YouTube now will be girl slime, guys. So today I'm sorry, but I'm gonna only make have me making slime. Well, I would say I will not make videos about Vietnamese anymore. If you guys Vietnamese can watch English, you guys can watch.
and comment below if you want it Vietnamese or not.
But what they cannot comment.
Oh yeah, no, they can.
Okay, if they want
Because
to.
some people does,
Được rồi chưa?
some people don't.
Đây, em là
I
American
don't
đấy.
know, but I was.
Hai bài Vietnamese đấy. Đây em là American đấy. Em là American đấy.
I'm gonna change.
Chưa nhìn hai bạn nói chuyện đi.
Hi
Hai bạn
guys,
nói gì á? Kia,
guys,
kia bà kia
but
nói
I'm
gì đó.
gonna change your name on my YouTube. So you, if you have any name if you have any name that's like cool and like slimy, well, I don't know, but I would say that that word is supposed to have slime. Well, like power, girl slime or power slime like that, blah blah blah. Oh my god.
Họ ra em giật mình đây.
Sorry.
Sorry guys, she just got scared.
She got a cockroach. She got a cockroach. It's fake.
Chết chị Thảo, họ đang giật mình.
Bye guys.
Đang nghe nói chuyện với chị Thọ là giật mình luôn.
Here, this is clear slime, but it's kind of wet now because I played it a lot.
Mine.
And
This used to be clear
Bye,
slime,
guys.
but now it's silver. Bye.
because she put silver. Bye guys.